Hi! Welcome to I Question PH. Today's question is: what are the steps to start vegetable gardening? Vegetable gardening is a rewarding activity that allows people to grow fresh, healthy, and nutritious food while learning how plants develop and thrive. A successful garden begins with careful planning, proper planting techniques, and regular care throughout the growing season. Let us explore the essential steps to starting a vegetable garden successfully. First, choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day, because most vegetables need plenty of sunshine to grow well. Second, select vegetables that are suitable for your climate, available space, and the current planting season. Third, prepare the soil by loosening it and mixing in compost or organic fertilizer to make it rich in nutrients for healthy plant growth. Fourth, check the proper planting season to ensure your vegetables are planted at the best time for successful growth. Fifth, sow the seeds or transplant the seedlings by following the recommended planting depth and spacing for each type of vegetable. Sixth, water the plants regularly to keep the soil evenly moist and help young roots become strong and healthy. Seventh, remove weeds regularly so they do not compete with the vegetables for water, sunlight, and nutrients. Eighth, thin overcrowded seedlings to give each plant enough space to grow properly. Ninth, apply fertilizer when needed to replace nutrients in the soil and encourage strong, productive plants. 10th, harvest the vegetables when they are fully mature, fresh, and ready to eat. By following these simple steps with patience, care, and responsibility, anyone can grow a successful vegetable garden. Gardening not only provides fresh and nutritious food, but also teaches valuable skills such as responsibility, perseverance, and appreciation for nature.